Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're coming at you with Veggie Spring Rolls. The ingredients you're going to need are rice paper, found in the Asian aisle of your local supermarket, avocado, guacamole mix, matchstick carrots, green leaf lettuce, or any lettuce that you choose, and a cucumber.
So here are the ingredients, and we're going to show you how we make guac mix.
Yep. So you take your avocado and cut it lengthwise.
Make sure to get the pit out of there.
Yep. Making sure after you split your avocado to get the pit out of there.
And watch your fingers.
Yep. I know that from experience. So then you're going to want to run your spoon in between the avocado itself and the skin of the avocado. Pop it out into the bowl.
Yeah. Sorry, that joke was funny before because we just did a video in this exact it's doing this exact same thing.
Yeah.
But it was keto. But now we're just doing regular spring rolls.
Right.
So then you mash it up like mashed potatoes.
Yep. So, as I said in the other video, I like my guacamole chunky.
Yep.
So then you add about a tablespoon-ish of the guacamole mix. You can add more or less to taste.
Yeah.
So then you mix it really well, otherwise you're going to get chunks of the mix in one spot, and that's going to be really salty. So then cut the ends of your cucumber off. You know, you can also peel the cucumber, but with an English cucumber you don't need to because the skin's so thin.
Yeah. But we're going to demonstrate how to cut the cucumber both ways.
Yep. So you want to cut your cucumber in half, so it kind of looks like a half moon, and then kind of make it into strips as thick or as thin as you would like, depending on whether or not you like cucumber. Cucumbers make really good pickles.
If you add vinegar and dill.
Yeah, and maybe a couple more ingredients.
Maybe someday we'll have to do that kind of video. Make
pickles?
Make pickles, yeah.
That's a great idea. Leave it in the comments if you want to see that.
Right.
So then after peeling your cucumber, you're going to want to slice it like you did previously.
And the seeds, you can either take them out or leave them in, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
With an English cucumber, you don't need to take the seeds out, but you can.
And now on to the lettuce.
Yep. So this is green leaf lettuce. As with the other video, we had actually used Boston bib lettuce. This works out great because you're actually going to wrap it in a piece of rice paper.
Rice paper, yeah.
Yep. And hey, if you want to, you can save the end of the lettuce, the part that I cut off, because you can plant it and grow your own.
So now we're actually drying the lettuce, right?
Yep. If the salad spinner does not work, you can also use a piece of paper towel or a clean kitchen towel. So then you're going to open your rice paper. It either comes in a package like that, or it does come in a bigger quantity too. So then you'll notice that your rice paper isn't pliable at this point. You're going to want to put it in water for 20 to 30 seconds.
Right. So
possibly longer if needed.
So this is the rice paper coming out?
Yep. Yes, it will look all weird, but if you gently just kind of take it apart, it should end up looking like something like that.
And it does look like when you get paper wet.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, I never thought of that.
Mm-hmm.
So then add your green leaf lettuce.
Onto the guac.
Yeah, add the green leaf lettuce to the rice paper. Add the guac to the lettuce leaf.
And now you start with your carrots and your cucumbers.
Yep. And whatever else you'd like to add. I mean, we just did a veggie one here, but you can add shrimp to it. I bet you could even add imitation crab meat.
Oh, that would be really good.
Maybe we should try that sometime.
Yeah.
Not only am I a keto health nut, but I also sometimes like to consider myself a vegetarian.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
So even though this is not keto, this is still healthy.
Yeah. Yeah. So then you fold in the ends of it and then roll it up.
So would you say this is the hardest part?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're going to want to make sure that everything's tight.
And I just thought I would throw in another instance of you
Rolling it
this
up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it can be quite difficult.
But as long as they're wet, the rice paper sticks together, right?
Uh-huh. It does. So if you make enough to have leftovers, you will notice that as they sit in the fridge, the rice paper becomes less pliable, but they are still edible. Yeah.
So that should just about do it for this video.
Yep.
Any questions or comments, leave them below.
Please like and subscribe to our videos, and there will be more to come in the near future.
Yep. All right. Bye.
Bye.